coming to Australia. I was a bit confused about the pathway that I could enter this construction industry. I got to know about the Spark employment program, and it was a very good opportunity.
I came from Pakistan, but previously I worked in Saudi Arabia in the construction industry. The Spark has given me an opportunity to become ready for work in construction industry.
I was just scrolling on my phone. I find this post talking about Australia construction. Under the comment section, somebody said, I participate in the Spark program and now I'm working in a construction site.
Spark was established by the Ginninderry joint venture to deliver unique training and employment opportunities back in 2016, and we are proud to say that this is our 10th year. Ginninderry is about more than just bricks and mortar. Social inclusion is extremely important, and Ginninderry want to make sure that the economic benefits of the program are given back to the Canberra community, and Spark is one of the ways that we do that.
The benefit of being involved in Spark is to provide an opportunity for people looking for a career in the construction industry. They have a unique opportunity through the Spark program where they can come and learn the skills in a supported environment.
They get that accredited training, the white card, the asbestos, and increases their chances of getting employment.
It's a really good start for me because I got the 3 tickets in the construction industry and I understand how the Australian construction industry works a little bit.
I can update my CV because I got a lot of knowledge from here, so I can apply different type of job.
I've never been the type of person to just sit behind a desk 9 to 5, kind of have to work with my hands, so construction seemed like the best kind of route for me there.
I have a theory knowledge more, but I wanted more of the practical, which I really got in this. And I loved playing around with the timber.
One of the benefits is we don't need to spend anything. It's a fee-free course. Spark actually makes things possible for you.
This program was made possible thanks to Fee-Free Construction, which is a joint initiative between the ACT and Australian governments.
You feel like you're being taken care of, like somebody is looking over you.
We got a mail, we got a touch, help us with schedule every week what we're going to do to make it very clear for me.
So one of the things I remember from Spark is Tash.
She helps us whenever we feel that we are struggling in some cases, that she always be there and she always guide us.
She's just great.
Part of my role in the Spark program is to journey alongside participants, coming in every day and seeing them from beginning to now. A lot of them have developed practical skills and they've gained industry exposure and just their confidence. I'm super proud of them.
And we have a very lovely teacher, Kat, and she's so patient with us.
She always be approachable. She told in a very basic way, and she teaches us to become ready for employment.
Their journey has not just brought them together as a team and as a community, but it's instilled a confidence in them that it's quite beautiful to watch. They've gone from the I can't to the I can.
There's a lot of information, but definitely helping me to get more knowledge into this industry and boost my confidence.
I'm thinking maybe after this, some sort of cabinet making, something with hard timber, because I've definitely had fun just shaping and sanding and taking my time with it.
I'm personally interested in continuing with the carpentry course after this course.
I'd like to go into do a bit of work experience, some sort of construction job, and then maybe look at the Cert 4.
I want to get into construction, but might end up somewhere later in my years for teaching.
A huge thank you to all of our stakeholders, including the Canberra Institute of Technology, the Umbrella Collective and Uniting Care Kippax and Workforce Australia Local Jobs Capital Region. On behalf of Spark and all of our collaborative partners, I would like to say a huge congratulations.
I'm really proud of you and I hope you do well in your next adventure.
Congratulations on making it through the 7 weeks. It's been intense, it's been fun, there's been lots of laughs.
Really hope that this is just a stepping stone into a long and rewarding career in the construction industry.
If someone asked me about Spark, I'd say go for it. 120% go for it.